We're now going to look at another use of percentages which we use in everyday life, which is the calculation of income tax, which is an amount of money we pay on our salaries. Now, everyone is allowed to earn a certain amount of money without paying any tax on that amount, and that's what's called the allowance. And in my example, the allowance is £5,000, so you can earn £5,000 and not pay any tax on it. So if your salary is £20,000, in this video we're going to look at how we can use percentages to compare test scores. Most important thing here to remember is a percentage means something out of 100. In my example, we're going to look at two test scores. Gemma scored 180 out of 300 and Laura scored 14 out of 20. And we want to see who has scored the higher percentage. So what we need to do is convert 180 out of 300, so we can write that as a fraction, and we need to find out what that will be out of 100. So this is using the idea of equivalent fractions. So if we look at the denominator here, the 300 has become 100. So what we've effectively done is divided the denominator by 3. So good old saying is whatever we do to the bottom we do to the top. So we divided the bottom by 3, so we divide the top by 3. And 180 divided by 3 is 60. We're going to repeat the exercise for Laura's score, which was 14 out of 20. And again, we want to find out what the equivalent fraction is for that out of 100. So this time the 20 has become 100 by multiplying by 5. So if we multiply the bottom by 5, I should multiply the top by 5. So 14 times 5 is 70. So going back up to Gemma's score, Gemma got 60 out of 100, which is the same as saying 60%. And Laura got 70 out of 100, which is the same as saying 70%. So in this example, Laura has outscored Gemma. Important thing to remember here is remembering that percentages are out of 100, and we try and change the other fractions into something out of 100.